welcome to Shree's Sisters. In today's video, we are going to see how to use logarithm table. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, I'm going to tell you some basic things about logarithmic table. So the logarithm table is divided into three sections. So the first thing is, this is by using the first column. That with that only you're going to find the other rest of the column. So this first column is very important, and these are the third digit of the number. You'll know in the later part of the video. And this is the mean difference section. So this is different from this one, so don't confuse. So now we know that it's divided into three different columns. This is the first, with this only you can find all the rest of these two values. So now I'm going to teach you guys how to solve the logarithmic value of a given number. So I'm going to teach you guys with the example. The first example we are going to see today is 84.35. So first you have to see the number is 4 digit. As you can see, the number is 4 digit. The first thing you have to do is see the first two digits of the number. The first two digits of this number is 84. So this will be the row you are looking for. So in the logarithmic table, now what you are going to see is 84th row. This row is important. This is the row you will use for finding these two sections. And now the third digit will show us which column we should use. Which column we should use, the third digit will say. So now what I have to do, now I have to go for the 84th row and third column. The third column we get the 9258 as our number. So first you have to write 9258. This is what we got when we took the row and column of these first three digits. Now what about the fourth digit? The fourth digit only we have to see the mean difference. Now what we have to see, the row will be the same. The row is 84th row, and the mean difference column for 5 we should see. So now we got the row as 84th row, and the mean difference column for this 5 number is, we got it as 3. So we have to add the number 3 to this. After adding 3 to 9258, we will get the answer as 9261. So this will be the mantissa part of our answer. So what about the characteristic? So the characteristic part is the number which is coming before the decimal point. So the number which is coming before the decimal point will be we should see the first two digits. The first two digits, we have to see whether it will come between we have to compare with 10 power values. If it's between 10 power 0, 10 power 1, 10 power 2 or 10 power 3. We know that 84 is between 10 and 100. So it will be between 10 and 10 power 1 and 10 power 2, which is 10 and 100. So it's 84, so it will be between them. So we should take the least value. So the power is 1 for that. So we have to take 1 as our characteristic value, because 84 will come between 10 power 1 and 10 power 2, which is 10 and 100. So we have to take the least number power as our characteristic. So 1 will be our characteristic. So the second example we are going to see is 34.63. The first thing we should see is the first two digits. That will be the row, and the third digit will be our column, and the fourth digit will be the column we'll see for the main difference, and add them both. So let's see. For the number 34, for in the column 6, the answer will be 5391. So we got the thing as 5391. Now the mean difference for row 34 and column 3, for the mean difference, we'll get that 34 and mean difference 3, we got 4 as the answer. So plus 4. Now 5391 plus 4 equals to 5395. Easy. Now this is the mantissa part. Now we have to find the characteristic part. Now we know that 34 is between 10 power 1 and 10 power 2, which is 10 and 100. So we should take 1 as the characteristic part, because it's between 10 power 1 and 10 power 2. The least power is 1. So 1 will be our answer. So this is the log value for 34.63. I hope you guys understood this one. And there will be cases, for example, like 0.07351, this is also the same pattern, but when you are calculating the characteristic part, what you should do is you should put you should see when the real number is coming. The 7 number is coming in the second place after the decimal, in the 1 and second place after the decimal. So for these kinds of number, you should keep 2 bar as the characteristic, and for the mantissa the same process as we did before, but not for 0. You should calculate for 7351 and you should write the value. So let's see the mantissa part for this one. So for 73 and column 5, for 73 and column we'll get 5, 73 and 5, 8633. So we got that 8633. And now the one, we should find the mean difference for the fourth. 1 is the fourth digit, so we should find the mean difference for the same row, 73 row, and mean difference 1 is 1. So plus 1, we'll get it as 8634. Now we added it, so this will be our mantissa part for this number, but only the characteristic value changes because the first number, like the number except for 0, the other digit like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will come in the second place after decimal point. So you should write 2 bar as the characteristic and the mantissa will be 8634. So this is our answer, and these are the different types of questions they'll ask for logarithmic table. Hope you understood. If you have any doubts, please put it in the comment box below. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you understood this concept, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much guys. Bye.